Hello, this is Gaurav Dani UI 16CS037, and this is my first experiment on compiler lab. So here we have to found that we have to do the token separation, in which we have to separate the tokens, and here here's my program file. So I initialize the imports the Java input files. Then after I create a main, then after I create a scanner, and I initializing the counts. After that I take a input string. So we have to do we need an input file. After we have inside the input file we have to read the tokens and initializers and all. So for that I read buffer reader to read the file. After that from the so I created a string, and we use a string tokenizer. So in which I created here is three for those arrays. The work of those arrays are, first is will be the initials like character, intro, double, long and all. After that this show the operators and the operand, and we find the numerals in the string pattern. So for that I create so we use a function name has more tokens, in which we count initialize the count. Therefore for loop we take the input string and run in. After that they're gonna in first it will find the keyword. So if so then after we take another for loop for symbols, and the for loop for operators, numbers and variables. From this, inside the string we're doing some functions like match patterns and finding those tokens. After that we use that exception if any of the operand and new symbols or the thing we are finding is missing. So it shows an an exception. After that we create a so we take the printers of each things like keywords, number, symbol, operator and total tokens, how many tokens are present. So this is my program. So I created a one txt file in which we have some strings like int a plus b is equal to 5, char f, and add initial a plus initial b. As you can see, this is our input file. After that, if I show you to run the program, if I run the program, as you can see it shows like we having int variable, we keyword int. We have two variables a and b. Have one operator plus, then after equal to 5 shows character f, add variables is read all the functions and variables and all. So we have four keywords, one number, one symbol, two operators and 8 variables. So total we have 16 tokens. So this is my first experiment on lab 1 in compiler. Thank you.